Harriet, your hand's up. Do you have a question? Can you turn on your mic?
I'm sorry I'm late. It's because a parrot flew in my sister's room. And
Excellent. Great reason. I love that reason. Not a problem. Right, the date.
We've managed to find the owners and they're coming to collect it.
Oh my God, that is hilarious.
It's
Does
been
it
missing
talk?
since August.
Miss, can I show you on my camera?
Yes, do. Let's all see, kids. I'm going to stop sharing. Stop presenting. Right, are we ready to have a look, 5BR?
Hello, Bosco.
Where is it? I can't. Oh my goodness.
Say hi, Bosco.
Say hello.
Oh, that's funny.
But he just came in. He was just. Imogen just opened the window and he just came inside.
New friend.
That's brilliant. Hi, you two. Oh, that is. Do you know what? I'm going to remember that forever. I hope the rest of 5BR are going to remember that forever. That's quite priceless. Love it. Okay, shall we get started? Or not? Should we just look at parrot all lesson? Okay, I'm going to share the screen again. Here we go. Oh, that's made me smile. You've made my day. Yes, Arjana Parrot. Indeed. Okay, how is football global? That's our task for today. I think I'm going to chuckle all lesson now. Oh, give me a thumbs up when you've written in the meeting chat. Sorry, I've got the giggles now. Put your hand. Give me a thumbs up in the meeting chat when you've written the date and title. Well done. Oh, I'm actually crying with laughter. Oh, brilliant. Right, most of you are there. Okay.